What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up, thumbs up. Come on and join the fun.
Sweetest thing ever known. Sweet thing. My sweet thing.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY home decor project. Yes, I'm back with another Dollar Tree project, y'all. This project is super quick and easy, so I can't wait to get started. But first, what I need you to do in the comment section is say, "Hey girl!" If you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up so I can keep Dollar Tree DIY projects coming for y'all. The only way I know that you enjoy this content is if you give the video a thumbs up. That lets me know that I need to keep making this type of content. So give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you will, and we're gonna get started, y'all. I'm gonna create a nice floral arrangement. I have some decorative gems. This is a nice, pretty black plastic vase, so I have that. I have this glass dish, this glass bowl, black of course. And I have this cute ribbon that says home. I think it's really cute. Y'all see that? But first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the sticker off my vase. I don't care about the bottom of the bowl, but I'm gonna take it off the vase. You're gonna need a hot glue gun and some scissors. Hot glue sticks, of course. Okay, rip that off. Okay, and I'm just gonna hot glue the bottom of my vase and kind of center it in a bowl as best as I could, just like so, okay? If you enjoy the content, also you should consider subscribing. If you would like to be notified when I post more content, click the bell and select all, okay? If you don't want to be notified about all the content I post, there's another option there that you'll get notified here and there, okay? All right, so hot glue at the bottom of the vase. Let's just stick it in there. Like I said, this is very easy, very quick, very cute. If you don't know, now you know. When I go to Dollar Tree, I kind of create a lot of my projects while I'm in the store. So I spend like over an hour in the store, and I'll walk around and just look at the new stuff they have, if they have any new stuff. And I'll just start coming up with stuff as I walk and shop. All right, so now that we have our vase stuck in our roll, it's not going nowhere, see that? I'm gonna go ahead and take my gems. Super cute project, y'all. And as soon as I'm done with this project, I'm gonna go ahead and start my very next DIY project, which is kind of like a set. It goes together. So you guys will see me in my same little rubber band fit. Now, I probably would have gotten another pack of these gems, just so I could reach the tippy top. I thought I wouldn't even need both of them, but I guess I need another pack. I don't need another pack, but I would prefer to have another pack just so it's at the very tippy top. But you can still see them. It looks pretty. So that's how it's looking. So it's still cute, but I kind of want them to like pop out so you can see them like that. You see that? So I'll go to the store and get another pack. But for now, just to show y'all how I want it to look, I'm gonna just make this my front so you can see what I'm talking about. You can also use something else just to put in the bottom and then put your gems in if you just want to buy 2 packs. If you can only afford 2 packs. Okay, see that? So that's how I want it to look. Okay, and so now that I have my gems inside my bowl. I'm going to figure out where I really want to put this ribbon at because I think it's really cute. It matches the vase, the bowl, the flowers. So let's start with the ribbon before I cut the tags off the flowers and stick them in the vase. Okay, so we can put it here. The flowers will cover it. Here, or we can go around the bowl, or we can just leave it because, let me see. I think that looks cute, so we'll put it around here. Let's just measure and cut. Okay, just need a little dab. I'm just gonna smooth that out and connect it. Okay. All right, so we have our ribbon on there. See that? I'm thinking that there's a lot of light, so let me change my light. Hold on. All right, so I closed my blinds because that was just, it was really bright. And a lot of times it's hard to see exactly like what the words read and stuff like that. So I hope that's a little bit better. Okay, that's how it looks. So let's cut the tags off of our flowers here. And again, if you have any DIY requests, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Or you can hit me up on one of my social media platforms. I am on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And you can find the names of all my social media platforms in the beginning and end of all my videos, as well as in the description box down below, okay? If you would like to collab with me, hit the email down below. Lifeastelle, the letter T, E-L-L-E, @gmail.com. Okay? So, there you have it. All right. I love this onion grass a lot. It's super duper cute. It was just something about the gems, the green, like the olive green colors. Then you got this, you know, splash of like ivory, white ivory in there. And I just love black. That's like one of my most favorite colors. So I just think it's gonna look really, really pretty, especially next to the grass wall. And then the project that I'm doing after this, it, you know, really goes along with the olive green and black theme. So make sure y'all check out that video that I'll be posting tomorrow. And actually, today is Monday, April 24th. Wednesday is my birthday, so I can't wait. I'm excited for my birthday. I don't have plans yet, but I'm excited. I know I'm gonna have a good time. All right, so let's put the onion grass in there. And let's kind of just mix these up. We can unplug the hot glue gun because we're done with it. Okay, lay some in the middle. Switch these up like that. So this is how this looks, y'all. I think it's really, really cute. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Follow my other social media platforms. I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.
known.